There's a lot of negative self-talk running rampant out there. And the thing about it is that it's your fucking choice. You're under control. You could change that. You could start believing in yourself. A lot of people are walking around with disbelief, with their head down, not believing in themselves, thinking that they fucking, they ain't gonna accomplish nothing on this life, that they're the unlucky ones, that, everybody else is lucky except them. They got the fucking worst card of them all and they can't change that. The thing about it is that you could change that. The thing about it that is fucking believing in yourself, understanding that nobody is fucking special. Nobody's fucking any different than you. If that person did it, you could fucking do it too. That's the fucking key. But a lot of times is that you don't know how to get there. That's the problem. So this is 2022 now. The internet has leveled the playing field. The internet has provided a lot of information for you to go out there and dig deeper and go after your goals. Go after the fucking results that you want. Don't just fucking stay stuck. Don't stay stuck on stupid. One of the hardest things to do is fucking think. That's why a lot of motherfuckers don't dig deeper, because it's a hard shit to do is think. So they don't want to do it. They tap out real quick. As soon as it doesn't go their way, they get frustrated. So what is that? Where does that come from? Frustration. That's stress management. Their stress level is so fucking low that they tap out on any fucking thing that they have to do, that they don't get, that they don't comprehend, especially in technology. Technology is a motherfucker. I was one of them. I was the worst one that fucking, once I didn't get it, I used to be like, fuck this, I don't fucking get it. I'm gonna fucking do it this way because I think this one's better. Like if that one's the key. No, the key is that you didn't dig deeper in this area. You didn't comprehend what you were doing, because anything's gonna work. Anything's gonna work if you fucking, set your time and you put the effort, the commitment, the discipline to go after it, no matter what. Nothing good in this life is attained easily. That's why, when you earn something, you feel it because you earned it. It took hard work, sacrifice to get that result, to get that, whether it's material thing or to get that look that you wanted. It took hard sacrifice, commitment. That's why when I see somebody that's fucking well put together, I know how long and how hard it was for him to get there. I know the discipline that it took him to get there. I know that, the consistency and that fucking reading and the knowledge that he had to fucking go through to fucking accomplish that. So you got to give credit where credit is due, but you got to fucking understand that, knock that shit out with all this negative self-talk and this disbelief that people fucking walking around all fucking day long doubting themselves, that they could never be somebody that they could be. Fuck that shit. Make sure that you fucking hit somebody up that can facilitate it. That's why there's coaches. That's why there's mentors. That's why like I said, if you don't want to fucking pay for that motherfucker, then fuck, you're pretty much fucked. Go do the research then. Go fucking work at it, and you're gonna run into a lot of trial and error, but it's possible. If it's possible, you have the patience, the time. Whether it's gonna take you 10 years instead of fucking you could have done it for 3, then that's up to you. But the thing about it is that you gotta fucking knock that negative self-talk that everybody's talking themselves out of their goals, because they think that it's not for them, and that they're not fucking gifted, and that somebody else is always special, more genetically gifted. Fuck all that shit. The thing is that we all have 24 hours in a day, and we all have the power to fucking change. Let's fucking run it.